Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to show that the summation of fifth powers of all the natural numbers equals minus 1 over 252. So let us get started. Let us take y as equal to e raised to x over 1 plus e raised to x, which can be written as equal to 1 over 1 plus e raised to minus x. Now, if e raised to x is between 0 and 1, then y can be written in this way. And if e raised to x is greater than 1, then y can be written in this way. Now, if e raised to x is between 0 and 1, then fifth derivative of y with respect to x will be equal to this. And at x equal to 0, the fifth derivative of y will be equal to this expression. Now, if e raised to x is greater than 1, then the fifth derivative of y with respect to x can be written in this way. And at x equal to 0, the fifth derivative of y with respect to x will be equal to this expression. So for all values of x, the fifth derivative of y with respect to x at x equal to 0 equals the same expression. Now, y equals e raised to x over 1 plus e raised to x. So the derivative of y with respect to x will be equal to y minus y square if you solve it. And for x equal to 0, y equals 1 over 2. And if you verify, this function is an odd function. Now, let us take f of x as equal to e raised to x over 1 plus e raised to x minus 1 over 2, which will be equal to y minus 1 over 2. So, y will be equal to 1 over 2 plus f of x. So, y minus y square will equal 1 over 2 plus f of x minus square of 1 over 2 plus f of x. Now, we have this expression. So, if we expand the bracket, we'll get this. And if we simplify it further, we get y minus y square is equal to 1 over 4 minus square of f of x. Since f of x is an odd function, f of x can be written as a1 times x plus a3 times x cubed plus a5 times x raised to 5 and so on. So y will be equal to 1 over 2 plus a1 times x plus a3 times x cubed plus a5 times x raised to 5 and so on. And the derivative of y with respect to x will be equal to a1 plus 3 times a3 times x square plus 5 times a5 times x raised to 4 and so on. Now, y equals this. So at x equal to 0, the fifth derivative of y with respect to x will be equal to 5 factorial times a5, which will be equal to 120 times a5. Now, since dy by dx equals y minus y square, which is equal to 1 over 4 minus square of f of x, so these two expressions will be equal to each other. Now let us find the coefficients one by one. Now, equating the left hand side and the right hand side, we get a1 as equal to 1 over 4, 3 times a3 as equal to minus a1 square, and 5 times a5 as equal to minus 2 times a1 times a3. So if we solve for the values of a3 and a5, we get a3 as equal to minus 1 over 48 and a5 as equal to 1 over 480. So at x equal to 0, the fifth derivative of y, which is 120 times a5, which will be equal to 1 over 120 over 480, which will be equal to 1 over 4. So this expression equals 1 over 4. Now, this expression can be written in this way, which can be written in this way if we take 2 raised to 5 common outside, and this will be equal to this. Let us write the summation of all the fifth powers of the natural numbers as equal to s. So this expression will equal s minus 2 raised to 6 times s, which will be equal to s minus 64 times s, which is equal to minus 63 times s. And now this expression equals 1 over 4. That means minus 63 times s equals 1 over 4. So s will be equal to, if we solve it, we'll get minus 1 over 63 times 4. That will be equal to minus 1 over 252. So we have shown that the summation of fifth powers of all the natural numbers equals minus 1 over 252. So this is all for this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, give us a like and get subscribed to our channel. And don't forget to click on the bell icon so you don't miss any future videos. See you all in the next video. Bye.